Episode 4 of trying to beat Brock's fully evolved team with this randomised Gen 1 Pokemon filter. No legendaries allowed. I think last time we got very close, but I want to make sure it's a definite win. I think we need 4 big hitters at least. We're going to start by skipping that Mewtwo, but Seeking at Omastar, nice pulls here. Poliwell's nice as well, but I think we've got to go Seeking. Water's definitely the way here, because Grass is good, but Grass is getting wrecked by Ninetales. Okay, we'll skip that Mew, but I'm looking at Vaporeon. I don't think there's much better than that, really. Definitely the Vaporeon, just pure speed. Okay, we'll skip that Mewtwo again, but Vileplume's looking nice as well. It's doing well against most of that team, bar Ninetales. Yeah, Vileplume it is. And I was just about to say Omastar's a great pick, but then I saw big man Blastoise. Literally could not have got a better pick. I think Blastoise wins this on his own. Okay, we're definitely going to go Bellsprout, especially if it's that one that Ash fought in Indigo League. And we're going to end on a... Oh my god, Starmie. Yes, we've definitely won that.